You might not find easy tutorials on YouTube for absolute beginners, but I'm here for you. Let's animate lightning in 12 frames per second. Open your FLIPACLIP, name your project, the default frame rate is already 12, sub to the second channel and let's go. Let's use these grid lines to keep the height consistent. A lightning animation is quite easy. To achieve this, let's animate the stickman first, then the lightning comes after. We'll animate it straight ahead, but we'll make some pose to pose. Select a suitable pen size and let's start the drawing from the rest pose. Because it's a beginner video, I'll show the animation time lapse at a slow speed so everyone can follow along. First, I'm drawing starting with a frame of him standing in a run-ready pose. Now that we're done with the first frame, let's move on to the second frame. In this frame, he leans a little bit further to gather momentum and show anticipation for the dash. Remember to turn on the onions so you can keep the stickman size and height in check too. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps reach more animators too. Let's skip a few frames and draw him at the end. This way we get a general idea on the motion. You know, sometimes you look up at the skies and wonder what life would be without animations. Quite scary, you know, but not as scary as watching this video without giving it a thumbs up. I mean, what does it take to hit that little button? Absolutely nothing. Do it. Just do it. Do it.
Do it! Just do it!
Do it. Now let's go back to the first frame and add like 2 in between frames. Finally, to finish off the Stickman animation, add some in between frames and animate smears. First, use the pen to draw out the smear. Select the eraser tool, reduce the opacity and clean off the drawing slightly. Copy, paste, and adjust the drawing on the same frame to create the smear effect. To add head, increase the pen size, tap once creating a dot, copy and paste the head as dot. And with that we're done. Let's finish off with the lightning animation. On a new layer, let's animate the lightning. Turn on the glow option and let's animate together. Let's take back the animation to the part where the stickman dashes off. We can start the lightning animation from there. Follow along with the tutorial if you're having a hard time drawing the lightning. Finally, we've finished the animation. You can always add some sound effects and background to make it look even better. Here's a video on how to animate it in 24 frames per second, and you could test out your skills and learn from this playlist of animation tutorials too.